Once a miser priest used to keep teasing people, "Oh, you don't know how to do this task properly. You know nothing about religion and life's philosophies. So your life is worthless." One day, the priest had to cross a river to go to another village. He saw a boat and sat in it. The boatman asked the priest to pay him to row him across. The priest said, "You ask me for money. On the way I will give you the precious treasures of knowledge. Do you know about Tulsidos? And about Ramayana?" The priest kept boasting, but did not want to pay any money. The boatman got fed up of his talks and thought of teaching him a lesson. When the boat was in the middle of the river, the boatman rocked the boat, and the priest fell into the river water. He started drowning. The boatman asked, "Oh, don't you know how to swim? You seem to know everything else." Then the kind boatman rescued the priest. Then the priest realized that everyone has knowledge of his own job only.